Hi folks. So welcome to today's topic on value add. It's about anger and its control. So make sure you like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon. So the first thing I'd like to say about anger management or dealing with that part of our life would be that once you decide that no matter what happens, I will not allow myself to be angry at any situation, no matter how justified it is. Because see, whenever we are angry, it is very justified. It's like, oh yes, this situation was, it was because of this reason that I got angry. It's always like that. So we have to firstly decide in our mind that no matter what happens, I will not allow myself to get angry, even if it's very much justified. I will deal with the situation, but not out of anger. That's the first most important thing. How do we actually do that when we are in that mode of wanting to get angry? Well, there is a certain thing that I do that helps a lot. Is like you imagine in yourself that okay, fine, how much anger is normal, like I would say that is like below that anger level. What is that? So you imagine yourself, okay, how angry am I right now? So you imagine in your head, okay, fine, I am probably say on a like of a bar graph, okay, I'm this angry, okay, and then you know what is the normal, what is below the anger level, and you say it's probably this much. So now let's reduce it. Consciously you reduce it, okay, fine, let's do that, and it automatically comes down after a while. Over a period of time, even you won't require all these techniques. You'll just be able to reduce it on your own. Initially, things like these help. So yeah, that's how you reduce it down in that moment uh, while you are feeling angry. Another thing is that it's important to know that what is that low boundary below which it's okay to be angry. That much is fine. That much anger is, so that's not anger. That's more like intensity. That's more like an intention with which you are taking action, and you're channeling all of that energy, that energy which is coming up into a right positive direction. So that is, it's important to recognize that point and say, okay, fine, no anger, no outburst, because that has to be clear in our head first. We all want to not be angry, but then when the time comes, we justify it, and that justification is the main problem. And that's kind of ego really, if you carefully look at it. That's what ego really is. It's helping anger. So yeah, that's my thoughts on it, and I hope that helps. Cheers. Take care.